Samahan niyo ako as we explore this amazing community dito sa Barangay Kalulot, San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito sa Montana Glades, space is never a problem. Imagine waking up in a peaceful, wide open community like this. Ang presko, ang lawak, at perfect for families. Spacious lot cuts from 120 to 300 square meters lot area? Check. Wide roads? Check. Beautiful amenities? Check na check. Ito na yung tunay na lakad matatag. Pero imagine, jogging or biking around here every morning? Instant fitness goals. For as low as 20,000 pesos reservation fee, you can own a 120 to 300 square meters lot in this community. Isang bagay ang sure, kung gusto mo ng home with space, fresh air, at premium amenities, ito na yon. But don't worry, hindi mo naman kailangan lakarin ng buho tulad ko. Just message us and we'll take you on a proper tour na hindi ganito nakakapagod.